The Indian Meteorological Department, that is IMD, has announced that a developing cyclonic storm in the Bay of Bengal named Cyclone Remal is expected to strike the coasts of West Bengal and Bangladesh as a severe cyclone on May 26. And this is set to coincide with the voting in 8 seats during the 6th phase of the Lok Sabha elections in West Bengal. According to the IMD, Cyclone Remal is projected to make landfall on the morning of May 26, bringing winds of 110 to 120 kilometers per hour with gusts reaching up to 135 kilometers per hour. The storm severity is expected to persist for about 24 hours until the morning of May 27, after which it will gradually lose intensity. The Weather Office further noted that Remal is likely to intensify into a deep depression by May 25 and escalate into a severe cyclonic storm on May 26. Preparations and precautions are advised for the affected regions as they brace for the impact of this severe weather event. The IMD has issued an orange alert for light to moderate rainfall in Kolkata, Howrah, Nadia, Jhargram, North 24 Parganas, South 24 Parganas, and Purv Medinipur districts. A well-marked low-pressure area over West Central and adjoining South Bay of Bengal moved northeastwards during the past 12 hours, concentrated into a depression and lay centered at 5:30 am on May 24 over Central Bay of Bengal, about 800 kilometers south-southwest of Khepupara, Bangladesh, and 810 kilometers south of Canning, West Bengal. It is very likely to continue to move northeastwards and intensify further into a cyclonic storm over East Central Bay of Bengal by the morning of May 25. Subsequently, it would move nearly northwards, intensify into a severe cyclonic storm by the evening of May 25. Continuing to move nearly northward, it is very likely to cross Bangladesh and adjoining West Bengal coasts between Sagar Island and Khepupara around the midnight of May 26 as a severe cyclonic storm. Cyclone Remal is anticipated to coincide with polling in 8 Lok Sabha seats in West Bengal on Saturday. The affected constituencies are Tamlok, Kanti, Ghatal, Jhargram, Medinipur, Purulia, Bankura, and Bishnupur. In response, the Election Commission has alerted district administrations to implement all necessary precautionary measures at polling stations. West Bengal Chief Electoral Officer Ariz Aftab reviewed the situation in a meeting with superintendents of police and state disaster management officials, directing them to take steps to prevent any untoward incidents. Sources from State Disaster Management Department confirmed that all necessary measures are in place and additional personnel have been dispatched to coastal districts to bolster preparedness.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.